intestines say a lot about our health, so when it works properly, our health follows suit. But if there are any issues in the intestine, the chances of developing a disease increase considerably. To avoid it, in cases of constipation, irregular bowel movements, and lower the risk of colon cancer, many people opt for a natural bowel cleansing. Have you ever heard about it? But why do it? Cleaning your bowels will eliminate toxins from the body and help prevent many health issues. Many people do a bowel washout to eliminate toxins resulting from poor eating habits. These toxins cause fatigue without a reason, headaches, weight gain or loss for no apparent reason, constant abdominal pain, bloated belly or excess gas, dark stools, and changes in appetite. Did you know that drinking salt water can help eliminate worms naturally? Doing a natural flush with salt water is efficient and safe. It protects your body from losing too many electrolytes, especially if you do it with sea salt, which contains 72 minerals in expressive amounts. This cleaning is recommended during episodes of constipation or irregular bowel activity. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. You will need 2 teaspoons of unrefined sea salt. Opt for sea salt or Himalayan salt, and 1 cup of warm water. Before eating anything in the morning, mix the 2 spoons of salt in a cup of warm water. The trick is to drink the salt water all at once on an empty stomach. In a few minutes, you will probably need to go to the toilet. Do it in the morning and at night. Stay home and close to the restroom for a while because you may need to go more than once. And always remember that your general health improves a lot if you maintain a healthy diet full of fiber and fluids. So are you going to try this saltwater flush? It is important to note that hypertensive people must not use this natural medicine. Although natural, these homemade medicines should only be used under medical orientation. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.